Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple fritter batter because I'm about to make some zucchini fritti or fried courgettes. I'm going to chop those up using a mandolin, and the recipe and the ingredients for the fritter batter comes from my mum's old bureau book, and it couldn't be more straightforward. There's only actually 3 ingredients, and I will put those ingredients in the description box below this video, but here is how we do it. And of course I will type up this recipe and instructions and the list of ingredients in the description box below this video, and any of these products that you see here are available as Amazon links, and I'll put the links below. And if you buy anything, I do receive a commission, and your support is very much appreciated. So here are some scales. They're set to grams. I shall put the bowl on top and I will reset it to 0. Now I'm going to measure into that bowl 100 grams of plain white flour. I'm not sieving it, and I'll tell you why in a moment. There's 28 grams, 60, 58, 84, 83, and there is exactly 100 grams of flour. Then I need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There's 1 and another, and a good pinch of salt because this is going to be a savoury dish. And now we add 150 ml of ice cold water. Now I mentioned that I've not sieved the flour, and the reason for that is I'm going to let this stand a bit, and any lumps that are in there will dissolve. So now I'm just gently going in with the whisk and mixing it gently until it forms a kind of a liquid consistency, and then I can go a bit harder. And you can see there, that is a lovely light batter. You'll notice that there's no egg, no milk, it's just water, flour and baking powder and a pinch of salt. And this is a lovely batter for doing vegetables. You can also coat fish in it, deep fry fish, or scampi or prawns or anything you like really. But I'm using this today to do zucchini fritti, and you can see that video linked at the end of this one. So there we go, a lovely and very easy fritter batter. See you soon for some more fritter batter adventures. Bye for now.